Halo everyone, perkenalkan nama aku Karissa Fania Irila, aku dari Offering J. Di sini aku bakal ngerjain tugas bahasa Inggris profesi. Saya akan membacakan jurnal yang berjudul Access to Library Information Research by University Student During COVID-19 Pandemic in Africa, a Systematic Literature Review. Implication of the study. Implication for practice. This systematic literature review provides insight into access to library information research by university students during the COVID-19 pandemic in Africa. The study has revealed that, like in other parts of the world, academic libraries in Africa have taken initiative to facilitate remote access to library information research and service through digital platforms to ensure that university students are not denied access to scholarly information resources needed to support their learning in a changing digital learning environment following the closure of university campus due to COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the initiative taken by academic libraries to support students' access to library information research, action need to be taken by library management and parent institution management in Africa to improve ICT infrastructure, expand library electronic research collection, and impart digital literacy skill to both library professional and students. Otherwise, access to library information research will still be problematic in many academic libraries in Africa during the emergency event in the future. Implication for police. This study provides useful insight to organizational policymakers and academic library directors in Africa in the development of emergency and disaster preparedness policies, which will guide academic libraries on how to provide access to library information research and service to university students during the COVID-19 pandemic and other emergency or disaster in the future. Limitation and recommendation for future studies. The limitation of this study include the selection of database, language shares, strategies, and quality assessment of the select studies. For scholarly database, Scopus, Emerald, Research Lab, and Google Scholar were selected to extract data for this study. In addition, the gray literature such as conference papers, proceeding, dissertation, reports, discussion, etc. was not included in this study. Therefore, it is possible that some potential records and studies published in other databases might be missed. Furthermore, select keywords are used to construct search queries. It is possible some records did not be included due to missing keywords or limitation of a search query. This systematic review recommends further studies should be conducted to assess access to library information research and service by university students in a specific country accounting for geographical location and language. This will help to provide a good understanding of the current status regarding access to library information research and service by university students during times of health emergency like the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, another study should focus on the post-pandemic experience of different categories of libraries regarding the provision of service to users. Conclusion and recommendation. This systematic literature review analyzes access to library information research by university students during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in Africa. Specifically, the study sought to identify the measures adopted by academic libraries to ensure the smooth delivery of library information research to partners. Particularly, students identify technological tools that were employed by libraries to facilitate access to library information research, Also, the study investigate the challenge faced by students in accessing library information resource. Jadi kesimpulannya kayak bacaan ini tuh nyeritain gimana orang-orang di Afrika sana waktu selama COVID-19 itu mereka mengakses perpustakaan yang dimana perpustakaan bentuk fisiknya itu tutup karena wabah COVID-19 itu. Nah, karena itu juga beberapa perusahaan akademik di Afrika itu kayak berusaha memperluas platform perpustakaan digital supaya mahasiswa yang ada di sana itu nggak kehilangan akses ke sumber pengetahuan yang mereka inginkan. Hasil dari survei itu tuh kayak walaupun ada upaya positif, tapi perpustakaan itu masih banyak kayak hambatan yang harus mereka hadapi. Keterbatasan infrastruktur kayak teknologi informasi, terus kurangnya literasi digital baik pada mahasiswa maupun pustakawan, serta koleksi elektronik yang belum memadai, membuat akses itu tuh kayak sulit, belum bisa maksimal gitu. Oleh karena itu, bacaan ini tuh kayak nekenin perlunya kayak kebijakan darurat yang bisa memandu perpustakaan dalam menghadapi krisis di masa depan, serta kayak mendorongnya investasi lebih besar pada infrastruktur digital dan pelatihan literasi informasi. Bacaan ini tuh sangat penting karena nunjukin kayak bagi bidang perpustakaan dan informasi itu membuat gambaran nyata bahwa perpustakaan itu enggak tergantung kayak ruang fisik doang, melainkan kita tuh harus beradaptasi dengan layanan digital. Peran perpustakaan itu menjadi sangat penting bagi mahasiswa terhadap pengetahuan. Khususnya di masa pandemi itu, kita bisa melihat perpustakaan juga berarti harus tetap memperkuat koleksi elektronik, mengembangkan keterampilan digital agar semua mahasiswa tetap bisa terhubung dengan sumber informasi.